morning. It's Sunday now. This will be video number 5, I believe. We're rocking and rolling. We're busting through these videos like nothing else. So it's Sunday morning. Got a big day planned. It's supposed to be nice and warm. Some inside work, but we're definitely gonna get outside today and do some stuff. But our day will be cut short because we are going to a Super Bowl party this evening. Well, I'm gonna go at least. I'll see if Miss Kim wants to go. It's kind of a bunch of the guys. We do guy stuff, and she probably won't go, but I'll better ask her. That'll cover my butt. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed the horses for her. She's not out of bed yet. I'm gonna get these horses fed and jump right into some action. And oh, and the groundhog today. So it's been super warm. I told you it's been like 7 or 8 degrees above average all winter. That little, the rodent is gonna call spring immediately. Guaranteed, mark my word. Rodent, Buckeye Chuck, Punxsutawney Phil, they're all gonna say spring is coming ASAP. Let's go get going. All right, party people, Sunday now, Super Bowl Sunday actually. Saturday's progress is when this project got started, was yesterday, Saturday. And pretty productive day. We had to leave for a little bit for Cruzy's little basketball game. But I'll show you the progress we're up to at this point. It's really coming together. It's neat. Those fence boards take so much time though. The used fence boards that we're using took so much time to plane down and custom cut. I'd like to give it another shot one of these days and use some store-bought lumber just to see how much quicker it'd be to have to bypass that planing process. Some of that stuff that's kind of not so much fun and time consuming. So like I said, today's Super Bowl Sunday. We're gonna wrap this video up today. Finish these cabinets up. We got a little get together we're gonna go to tonight. So let's take a look at where we're at on these cabinets. All right, I think that window is affecting our view here. Let's go back this way. So, okay. That's what we started with, the plywood boxes. That's what we started with. We have 8 compartments up top, 22 inches deep. These are the big doors. So we have 2 big doors on each end, custom built around the windows here. That'll be an opening in the center for TV. This little area here is where I'll probably put a live edge. I got a cherry live edge slab that I'll make for a desktop. Custom cut it into there. And we have all these boxes. Check out these babies. Look at all that storage. The soft close hinge system. It's pretty slick. That's what I'm talking about. Still not a professional cabinet builder, but it's been fun learning about cabinetry. I definitely don't have the patience for really, really cool cabinets. But these are awesome. For what we've done with the reclaimed wood, I'm gonna call it a weekend project. There's Big Daddy from a couple years ago. All right, Super Bowl Sunday, we're really excited about the Super Bowl. We always have a good time. Go out to Scooters. There's another friend with a crazy nickname. One of these days, I'm gonna talk about all the nicknames our friends have. Should be pretty interesting. So right now, I'm waiting on Miss Kim to see whether she wants to paint these to match this board and batten interior wall, or if she wants to clear coat them to match that. That's a maple wall, rough cut maple that we planed down here from the property. So here in that corner you can see the rough cut versus the plain down maple. She's on her way. She's going to give us an idea of what she wants to see, and that's what we'll do. It's also Sunday Fun Day. The boys are out here. That's Colby Oak. He is our main editing director. So we got Sunday Fun Day, like I said. Colby Oak has a couple buddies over. Looks like Newberry. They're getting unloaded. They're going to shred up in the woods. We finally got a day with some sunshine. Yo, Colby Oak! Alright. It's a 250. It's 2001 250. Uh-huh. Man, when I was a kid, how cool it would have been to have 140 acres to just play on. not too windy to hear me here now, but I'm going to wrap up episode 4. Thankfully, this beautiful Sunday day, Super Bowl Sunday, we was able to get out of the mill shop. It's beautiful outside. It's pretty windy, but for the most part, it's sunny. We haven't seen the sun forever, and it's fairly warm. So an awesome Sunday fun day, just kind of getting started for us here on the farm. You got to see the cabinet project pretty much in completion. We're going to stain that, get that baby wrapped up, start packing some stuff in it. Got to see a little trail maintenance. They were riding their dirt bikes, and a couple more of my buddies came out and they're riding 3-wheelers, and there were several trees down on the trails, so I jumped on the opportunity to jump on the old 550 John Deere Dozer and come up and do some trail maintenance. So I don't know who everybody's picking for the Super Bowl tonight. I gotta go with the 49ers. I feel good about that. We'll see, I guess. Next episode, hopefully coming back at you here in the next few days. I think that's about it. Yeah, so hope you guys are liking what you're seeing here on our Karen Creek YouTube channel. I know we're having fun doing it, and when the weather starts breaking, we get some camping activity out here. I think the content will continue to rise, and you'll see some crazy. Hopefully, you'll get to meet some crazy characters. Lord knows there's plenty of them that come out here and have fun with us, and that's what this place is all about. We're living a dream. We have all this acreage that we can play on: dirt bikes, horses, cut wood, cut boards, run the equipment, the traco, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, side-by-sides. It's a dream come true for our family. We have so much fun doing it, and it's good stuff. It's really good stuff. It's something we always dreamed of, and we'll probably do an episode one of these days on the whole property and more of what we do on certain parts of it and why we chose this property. I could actually do a whole video on choosing properties. You know, if you're out there looking for a piece of property for yourself. Fortunately, after doing this property here, purchasing it and getting into developing the property the way we want it, I've got some insight. I'm not a professional at that, but I know a lot more than I knew 3 or 4 years ago, and we'd love to be able to share that information with you guys. So guys, Sunday fun day, wrapping up, over and out. If you liked what you saw, give us a comment down below, like us, subscribe to us. Let's have some fun with this page.